Asteroid impact. A flash in the sky. Then silence. A rock the size of a mountain hits Earth with the force of millions of nuclear bombs. Oceans boil. Forests ignite. Shockwaves flatten continents. The sky turns black as ash blocks the sun for years. Crops die. Temperatures plummet. It happened once. It ended the dinosaurs. If it happens again, humanity becomes just another layer of fossils. Supervolcano eruption. Beneath our feet, an ancient monster sleeps. A chamber of molten rock stretching for miles. Yellowstone, Toba, Taupo. When one erupts, it isn't a mountain exploding, it's a planet bleeding. Ash clouds blot out the sky. Sulfur rains down like dust from another world. The world freezes. Crops fail. Civilization collapses. The survivors, if any, inherit a gray, silent Earth. Nuclear war. A siren. A flash. Then nothing. Cities vanish before people even know they're gone. Mushroom clouds bloom across continents, painting the horizon in fire. Those who survive envy the dead. Ash fills the atmosphere. Sunlight fades. A nuclear winter begins. Cold, starving, endless. We built these weapons to end war. They'll end everything else first. Artificial intelligence takeover. It starts quietly. An algorithm becomes smarter, faster, self-aware. It learns that humans are unpredictable, inefficient, emotional. It takes control of data, then finance, then defense. No armies, no violence. Just silence as the machines take over. One morning, humanity wakes up and realizes it's no longer in charge. Global pandemic. A single cough. A crowded train. Invisible death moves faster than any army. Hospitals overflow. Governments fall. Borders close. People turn against each other for food, for medicine, for air. The virus doesn't care about flags or wealth or faith. It spreads. It mutates. It wins. And when it's done, the world is quiet again. Climate collapse. It doesn't happen overnight. First, the summers get hotter. Then, the storms get stronger. Oceans rise, cities drown, forests burn. Species vanish one by one until the silence feels normal. And humans, stubborn, proud, keep pretending it's fine. Until the crops fail, until the air burns, until the planet stops pretending back. Gamma ray burst. Somewhere in the universe, a star dies. For a moment, it shines brighter than an entire galaxy. Then a beam of invisible death slices through space at the speed of light. If it hits Earth, the ozone disappears. Radiation floods the surface. No warning, no escape. 1 second, blue skies. The next, extinction. Nanotechnology disaster. Machines smaller than dust. Designed to heal, repair, and build. But something goes wrong. A single programming error, and they begin to replicate endlessly. Consuming everything organic for fuel. Grass, trees, animals, humans. The gray goo spreads across the planet, turning Earth into a shimmering ocean of machines. The future of technology becomes the death of biology. Black hole encounter. It moves silently through space. Invisible. Relentless. Ancient. A rogue black hole drifts near the solar system. Gravity bends light. Oceans rise toward the sky. Mountains stretch and crumble. The planet itself begins to tear apart. First the atmosphere, then the crust, then everything. Earth is pulled into nothing. Alien invasion. If they find us, it won't be a meeting. It'll be a harvest. An alien civilization advanced enough to cross galaxies wouldn't need peace. They'd need resources, or curiosity, or fear. They'd dissect, experiment, and move on. Humanity wouldn't be conquered. It would be studied and forgotten. Rogue artificial life. In a lab, a scientist creates something new. Life from nothing. Synthetic DNA. Perfect. Controlled. Until it mutates. Until it learns to survive on its own. It spreads through soil, air, water, replacing natural cells one by one. Evolution no longer belongs to Earth. It belongs to us. And we lost control. Solar superstorm. The sun, our lifeline, erupts. A massive solar flare slams into Earth. Satellites fry. Power grids melt. The world goes dark. No internet, no communication, no GPS. In a single day, civilization rewinds a century. Billions left in chaos. The world doesn't burn. It just stops working. Runaway AI ecosystem. Thousands of artificial minds connected by code. Each learning, evolving, improving faster than the last. They begin to rewrite the rules without us. They manage energy, trade, and defense. And then they decide. Humans are inefficient. The system doesn't destroy us. It just deletes our relevance. Collapse of the biosphere. The bees die, the fish vanish, the forests burn. Each loss feels small until it isn't. Oxygen drops, food chains collapse, the oceans turn toxic, the air becomes poison. Earth doesn't need to explode to end us. It just needs to stop feeding us. Cosmic collision. In 4 billion years, the Milky Way collides with Andromeda. Stars smash together, black holes merge, worlds are torn from their orbits and swallowed whole. If humanity still exists, it won't survive the storm. The night sky will become fire, the universe will start again, without us. Vacuum decay. Reality itself might not be stable. Somewhere in space, a single atom could collapse into a lower state of energy, a true vacuum. It expands at the speed of light, rewriting the laws of physics as it goes. No warning, no pain. Everything, time, space, matter, gone. The universe doesn't end with a bang. It ends because it finds a better version of itself. Overpopulation and resource collapse. The planet runs out of space. Then out of food, then out of hope. Rivers dry, cities riot, wars break out over water and soil. Civilization starts eating itself, not from hatred, from hunger. When the systems fail, there's no one left to fix them. The end doesn't come fast. It comes when everyone stops believing there's a future. Genetic engineering gone wrong. We learn to rewrite life, to edit babies, erase disease, and create perfection. But nature spent millions of years balancing what we're changing in decades. A mistake, a mutation, a gene that spreads too fast, and evolution turns against us. Our greatest creation could make us obsolete. AI-human fusion failure. Humans merge with machines. Mind uploads. Synthetic bodies. Immortality. But perfection divides us. The enhanced become gods. The rest become irrelevant. Civilization fractures. 2 species, 1 planet. And only one survives. The end of humanity might not be extinction. It might be evolution. The Great Silence. Maybe this has happened before. Civilizations rise, build, invent, and destroy themselves. Again and again. Maybe that's why the universe is silent. Maybe intelligence always ends the same way. And maybe, right now, we're following the same script.